Alright, so what we have here is, I got two of them. They were marked down, as you can see, but they're turkey breast tenderloins, seasoned. They're pre-marinated, whatever. We've gotten them and they're pretty good. But I wanted to show you this on the Sportsman's grill because I haven't ran the Sportsman's grill in a while. Full disclosure, I did struggle opening up the second package, but as you can see, they're just turkey breasts with a couple of nuggets there in the marinade. Alright, well there they are. So now as soon as the grill gets heated up, these bad boys are ready to go on. Here we're getting ready to put the charcoal in, and you're going to say, well, that's not enough coal. Well, I'm going to add a little bit more, but the idea is I have a one-line method, a shallow line, so I can control my heat better. All right, now we're good and heated up. Get these. All right, let's give them a little flip. Oh, a little dark over there, a little dark there. Oh man, I was inside washing up, and look what happened. Yeah, they got a little dark, but that's the marinade to look like it burned. I think otherwise we're good. That one looks fantastic. That's what happens when you're cooking over live coals and you go inside and wash up, do the dishes. It's only been a few minutes, but let me flip these so you can see them. So I flipped them over. Now we're cooking this underside, right? Put my probe in about halfway. See, we're at 140. This one here, we're going about halfway. 125. That one there, 147. This in here, 129. So I'm going to move this one to here and that one to there, this one to here and that one to there. Now what's great about this one line method that I'm using is you can get in and move the coals around easily and you're not overheating. So like this side, the thicker part, I need a little more heat, so I'm moving the coals to where the thicker parts are, like so. Same over here, I want the thicker parts are in the back, so I want to move my heat to the back and not so much up front. Here I'm temping them again, and they're at about a 165 to 171. So we're going to pull them off and get them to rest. Alright, here we are. Let's see how we did. Got the grill cleaned up. Let this rest. That's the dog trying to get some. Looks good. Wow, that first bite was really good. Even with the dark spot where the marinade burned, it's not dried out. I ran it up to about 165, 170. You do get like that rotisserie kind of flavor, like a almost like it had a dried like a gravy on top of it. And I mean, I think it's pretty good. So, if you see something on sale, try it out. You never know. It may be terrible and it may be great. That, I think, is pretty good. You know, for $10, I got two meals for me and the missus. All right, y'all, that's all I got this week. So, y'all, remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did you have fun? Did it taste good? Rock on. Y'all are awesome. Have a great week, everybody. Rock on. Man, y'all, it's almost like you took your gravy, like second day gravy, and poured it on top of this turkey breast while you were cooking it. I'm really digging it. The more of it I eat, the more I'm enjoying it. And it's supposed to be like a rotisserie style is what it said, but I don't know. But that gravy, it's like a gravy marinade. Mm-hmm.